See, this is your face wash making class for today, and we are going to cover honey hydrating face wash. It is going to obviously include honey hydrating face wash. But the main thing is what quantity has to be there, how we can make it, what things can be added to have the maximum benefit out of it. So these things have to be covered, and these things are there to learn. We will learn how to make face wash honey, with honey for the dry, dull, dehydrated skin especially, and face wash without any active, because nowadays companies are using actives to give you the moisturization, but we are having honey which is natural one, and we can get the instant moisture and instant result out of it. How this face wash is different from others, I will let you know. First of all, reasons for skin dehydration. Reason for dehydration. Reasons for skin dehydration is outer environment, hot showers. Nowadays, we all take only hot showers and baths. That is one of the reasons for having that dehydrating or dry skin. Air conditioning, we all are used to of having air condition, and that is why our skin dehydration has become, very major problem. We are using harsh chemical in our skincare products. That is also one of the major reason of having the dehydrating skin, and lacking of less water. We are not having much water. We are only having 2-3 glass of water, which is also the reason of our skin dehydration. So we should always keep ourselves hydrating by having the water. Okay. Benefits of making honey hydrating face wash at home. First of all natural and best ingredients which are going to cover up high-end products at low cost. Start your own business. Will help friends and family. Youthful skin with and hydrating skin with this our honey hydrating face wash. Now, what is the benefits of making honey hydrating face wash at home? Obviously, we are going to use the natural and the proven Ayurveda ingredients. Using of, if suppose we are using actives, even though that will be safe enough, deeply works on our skin, safe and sulfate-free surfactants that we are actually using while making face wash at home. Honey properties for skin hydration. We are, while making the honey hydration face wash, we are going to use honey in our face wash. So definitely we need to know that what kind of actually we are using the ingredient. Whatever the ingredients we are using, we have to have some properties we have to be aware of, so that we can actually notice the results, we can notice the difference on our skin. So these are the actually properties when we are using honey for our skin. Honey is a natural humectant and deeply penetrates the skin to offer hydration to underlying skin layers too. What is humectant? People are not aware of humectant. Humectant is basically which actually gives you the moisturization. Actually, this is widely used in our cosmetic industry as humectants. Whenever we make any product, we have to add at least a humectant. Even glycerin is one of the humectant. Honey is the another and natural humectant, and it actually deeply penetrates the skin to offer hydration. So this is the better way to have the moisturization and to have the skin deep hydration. So that's why honey is the best choice to add one of the humectant in your product. Then the second one, it actually helps to reduce acne, psoriasis, eczema. All this can be treated with honey. Get glowing skin with honey. Obviously, if you are using honey in your face wash, you will definitely notice that your skin is getting glowing. It actually also helps in spreading scars. So using honey also helps you to fade scar. Reversing signs of aging with organic honey. If you are using organic honey, it will definitely going to help you out for reversing your signs of aging. Signs of aging are like your wrinkles, your dark spots, your sagging skin. It also helps to boost your skin. It also helps to give you anti-aging effect by giving the hydration, because most of the times we start getting the aging because of the dehydration of the skin. So definitely it helps to give you the reverse signs of aging with the organic honey. See, when we actually add this lemon peel, lemon peel in the honey face wash, it gives you the marvelous results. Even if you make the face pack of lemon and honey, you will see there is a huge difference on your skin. You cannot use lemon alone on the skin. Always remember, don't use lemon alone on your skin because it is very on the acidic side. So, but when you actually add this with your lemon, with the honey, definitely you will get a very good results. It eliminates and lightens dark spots. In the summer, even a few minutes in the sun can result in a tan and sunburn. It gives you the tan and everything. When you use it along with the honey, it gives you the more result than using it alone. Renew the strand, supports heart, prevents oily skin, promotes hair growth, increases collagen production. Collagen is actually required for having the youthful skin. So it works a lot when it comes to the skin. Also, it helps in boosting immunity. Many things are there, but we are covering here for the skin. Raw materials are required. This is a very simple and very effective face wash. Demineralized water. You can use the boiled water if you're using it yourself or your family, but don't use boiled water if you want to market a product. Always use demineralized water for if you want to give it in the market or sell out in the market. Glycerin. Here we will use only 2% of the glycerin because we are already having our humectant, that is your honey. Sodium benzoate. This is our natural preservative. If you want, you can skip it if you want to use only within a week and you are putting it in the refrigerator. Honey will be 5 to 15%, depends on your skin, how much dryness is there. If suppose your skin is very acneic, we cannot use 15% of the honey. But if you are having very dry skin, then you can make up to 15%. Xanthan gum, it can be 3% to 5%. Cocoa betaine, sarcosinate, these are the surfactants and these are sulfate free. Cocoa betaine is a co-surfactant, not a primary surfactant. That's why we have to use sarcosinate as a primary surfactant. Lemon peel, I have already shown you how to get your own extract at home. So you will do the same with the lemon peel. Measurements are already given, that is 0.5% to 1%. Then orange essential oil, you can add any essential oil in this, which is your choice, which can give you a good fragrance. Then phenoxyethanol or Iscagard peg, anything can be used, but if it is used for selling out in the market, otherwise skip this step if you want to make only for the 3 months, because we have already added sodium benzoate. It is going to preserve the face wash at least for 3 months here, and if you put it in the refrigerator as well. So these are the things, these are the actually raw materials and everything. Guys, I have already shown you how to make the things. Now I will just tell you, if you have any problem, you can ask me, because all the things have been shown you earlier. The steps, all steps will be the same, but the procedure will be the same. Only the difference will be the ingredients. So that's why I'm just telling you the steps. Phase 1 will be your DM water, lemon peel. You have to boil it and boil it for the 30 minutes in the same gas and then strain it. This is what we have been doing since last 4 days. This is what we can do now. Step 2, add sodium benzoate to the water. जो हमने extract लिया है, what are the water we have got by boiling the lemon peel, we will strain that and we will add the sodium benzoate to that water. That's it. जो हमने extract लिया उसके अंदर हम sodium benzoate add कर देंगे. Then add xanthan gum to this warm water, leave for overnight. फिर उसके अंदर हम xanthan gum डालेंगे and हम उसको overnight we will leave that. Then again we will add honey, glycerin. जब वो xanthan gum को हमने अच्छे से mix कर लिया है, we will add honey and glycerin. उसके बाद आपका जो हमारा एक वाटर फेस था जिसके अंदर xanthan gum वगैरह था, और एक हमारा था जिसके अंदर सर्फेक्टेंट था, कोकोबिटेन एंड सार्कोसिनेट. तो इन दोनों का जब हम ऐड कर लेंगे तो इट विल बिकम योर फेस वॉश. फेस वॉश के अंदर यू कैन ऐड योर ऑरेंज एसेंशियल एंड द प्रिजर्वेटिव. तो गाइस, दिस इज जस्ट अ मेथड. एज whatever we have done earlier, but only the thing is we have changed the two main ingredients to have the hydrating on our skin. And skin hydration is very much required, because without hydration your skin will start getting aging, and because of aging everything will come up very soon before the age. So that's why always try to keep your skin hydrated, not only by using your face wash, by making this face wash, but also have a lot of water in your whole day, so that your skin will be hydrated and you can get the glowing, youthful and very nice skin. So guys, this is the class. If you have any issues, any problem, you can ask me, you can DM me, you can ask in the group also, because whatever we have done I really want, and I can show you whatever the face wash we have made. This is the first one. We have made our first day class. Then we have made, this was the papaya face wash, papaya anti-blemish face wash. This was our that one. This is our anti-acne face wash. Yes. And then this is our gory whitening face wash. This one is very nice. Then we have made this anti-aging face wash. Last one is our honey hydration. The steps will be same, everything will be same, only the difference will be of the ingredient. I really want this. I want this you to complete it and make it yourself and show me. And if possible, please share the video of making this face wash, because I have made every face wash for you and I have shown how to make the things. So now it is your turn to make and make the video of it and share it with me.